1 in every 4 college students has an STD, according to EliteDaily.org. 80% of people who have an STD experience no noticeable symptoms. What if I told you there was a place that not only tested and treated STDs, but also provided contraceptives, abortions, and education on your sexual health? My name is Sydney Taylor, and I am in support of Planned Parenthood. Planned Parenthood is a global healthcare provider dedicated to providing vital reproductive health care, sex education, and information to millions of men, women, and young people around the world. What is an STD exactly? An STD is a sexually transmitted disease, infection spread by sexual contact. Anyone sexually active can get one. Sex with a partner who has one. Often there is no symptoms, but some of the symptoms do include swelling in the throat, bumps in your mouth or sexual organs, burning while urinating, itching, burning around the vagina, pain during sex, unusual discharge or odor. So to prevent all of those, it is good to get tested regularly. Planned Parenthood does do testing on 2 of the most common STDs, which are chlamydia and gonorrhea, as well as HIV. They recommend you get tested annually if you're a sexually active girl or woman under the age of 25, if you're a woman older than 25 and at risk of STDs, which means having sex with a new partner or multiple partners, if you're a man who has sex with men, urine tests or through a swab inside the penis in men or from the cervix in women is how they do the test. So chlamydia is one of the most common bacterial STIs, which is sexually transmitted infection. In women, the major cause of this is inflammation of the fallopian tubes. In men, the major cause of non-gonococcal urethritis is inflammation of the urethra. The symptoms occur 7 to 21 days after having sex with the infected partner. According to PlannedParenthood.org, approximately 40 to 60% of women have no symptoms. This is treated with antibiotics, and once you get it, you're actually at a higher risk of getting it again. So it's good to let your partner know immediately if you've had sex with them within a 2-month range. So Planned Parenthood also does pregnancy tests and abortions. They provide urination tests, and the abortion is medicated or clinic. And a way to avoid getting all of these STDs or even unwanted pregnancies is to use condoms. A special little quote we say is "no glove, no love." The worst place to carry a condom is in your back pocket, a shirt pocket, or protective case is the best place to put them. They also provide birth control pills or an IUD. Also, they provide morning after pill. Planned Parenthood also specializes in men's health. They do checkups for reproductive or sexual health problems, prostate cancer screenings, provide condoms, as well as vasectomies and STD testing treatment. And our most local Planned Parenthood is in Woodland at the Woodland Health Center, which is about 9 miles away from UC Davis. You can just Google them, look them up. I personally, my experience with Planned Parenthood has always been great. I'm able to get birth control in a year's pack's worth, which, especially being in college, I'm not in a place where I want to get pregnant anytime soon, and I also would prefer not to get STDs. So having Planned Parenthood be available to me and my peers, everybody around me, is just great because it's a great resource to use. And I really don't know anywhere else you could get that. Especially, you don't have to have insurance to go. If you do have insurance, health insurance through another place, you can still use their services. They just have you fill out a quick form real quick, and then you get a little card and you're all set. And I hope you decide to use Planned Parenthood whenever you get the chance.